This video is about classical conditioning and Ivan Petrovich Pavlov. Ivan Pavlov was born on September 14, 1849 in Ryazan, Russia. In the 1890s, while researching the digestive function of dogs, Pavlov noted that dogs would salivate before the delivery of food. Wondering why a dog would salivate to the presence of a stimulus other than food intrigued Pavlov to conduct what would be his most influential experiment in psychology, becoming the father of classical conditioning. Classical conditioning starts with an unconditioned stimulus or an unlearned naturally occurring stimulus being paired with an unconditioned response or an unlearned naturally occurring response. As you can see here, the food is the unconditioned stimulus, and the unconditioned response is the salivation by the dog. Then, a previously neutral stimulus, or the bell, is paired with a naturally occurring stimulus, or an unconditioned stimulus. At first, the bell is a neutral stimulus and produces no response from the dog. Then, the bell is presented at the same time as the unconditioned stimulus, or the food. After the bell is paired with the unconditioned stimulus, it moves from a neutral stimulus to a conditioned stimulus, or in other words, a learned stimulus. Now that the bell is a conditioned stimulus, it will produce a conditioned response from the dog. Now, every time the bell is rung, the dog will salivate. Does your dog have a drooling problem? If so, it is most likely due to classical conditioning.